All right, what's going on, traders? Today's video is another weekly update on our prop firm automation, and we have secured some crazy profits over the week and over the course of the last 2 months. We made some phenomenal trades. Right now, our 200K prop firm accounts have now grown to $150,000 in profit in a little bit over 2 months. Today is the last trading day of the week. It's Friday the 10th. And so far, just for this month, you can see the overall profits that all of these members have made on their $200,000 account and their $100,000 accounts. Our prop firm automation service starts at $100,000 and above. And what you guys can do is, if you guys are trying to get funded, you guys can go to propfirmmatch.com, check out all of your favorite prop firms, and we pass the challenge for you, get you funded, and continue to trade the accounts until you receive your multiple payouts. For example, this is one of the accounts that we have automated. This person has grown his account to $27,000 for this month. And let's check out some of the results. So here is the social trader tool and our prop firm automation account. We have only had one losing day. You can see that the accounts are exactly the same. The account has now grown 62.7%. The profits, you can see right here, 334,000. And then here the balance, 334,000. If I go to the trades right now, it has put in the buy stops and the sell stops. So the orders have already been placed. Max stop loss is at 1 to 1.5%. That is all we're risking per day. And you can see the trajectory. The only day we suffered a loss was right here. You can see on the 29th of September 2025, the account was at 55.32%, and then it dropped to 54.92%, not even 1% drawdown on that day. And if I go to the monthly right now, you can see this, the buy stops and the sell stops have been placed just like on my MetaTrader. This was the 30th of July, 2025. August, we had a phenomenal trading month, 26%, September 20%. And right now in October, we've hit about 4.74%. Hopefully we'll hit around 15% this month. So basically on the 200K account, if you made 20%, you would have profited around $40,000. So I'm gonna show you my MetaTrader right now. It is exactly the same as my phone. You can see the buy stops and sell stops have been placed. And if I go into the history will show exactly the same. On the bottom right-hand corner, it's $150,000. Just like right here, $150,496 on my phone. From Monday this week, we lost one trade right there on the 6th, minus $180. We went on a huge win streak, 1,580, 1,496, 2,000, and then we had a huge win of 5,120, and then we had drawdown minus $2,710, so that was about 1.5% that we lost. And then we had some more huge wins, 1,280, 3,580, 1,320, a small loss of $590, and then 520, 1,320, and then we had a small loss again of 650, another big win, 2,000, 710, 720, 1,752. So just for this week, we made about $12,000 in profit. I'm gonna show you guys the profit for the month. The month was $73,000 in profit for the month. Overall, for the past 3 months, again, $153,000. It is exactly the same as my MetaTrader. If I go to it, this was the last week, 11,000. And then we had for the last month, 73,000. And then we had for the last 3 months, $150,000. So another phenomenal trading week. The best thing about our prop firm automation service, all of the EAs are inclusive. It's all free, all included in the prop firm automation service so that you guys can practice with the EAs. If you guys want to stop the automation and use the EAs, you guys also have a chance to do that later on. So our US30 trading bot, our FXIFY bot, our gold trading bot, and our pound dollar trading bot, all of it is free and all inclusive. We also took on prop firm automation service for the first half of the year back in January. And for those clients, they are now using their EAs and automating the accounts by themselves. You can check out this video right here in which we achieved $250,000 in payouts for these clients. Right now, I think we are going to break the record. We achieved that in about 6 months, but we would definitely be breaking the record in a shorter time right now based on how the trades have been going. So right now, we're 100,000 shy from $250,000. And I think we should be able to achieve that by the end of this year. You guys will also be able to have access to your own dashboard. We have made significant updates to our community. So whenever you guys are due for a payout, you guys can press this button, request payout, and then we will stop trading the accounts for you. If you guys are also interested in joining our prop firm automation service, make sure you guys check out the previous video right here and hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our members to also help you get started on your prop firm trading journey.